So this is a 1999, actually a 2000 model year, but production date was 1999. 207,000 miles on it. And just had an evaporator done. I condemned it a while back, and so it's an Avalon. And even though Kelley Blue Book puts this as no value, here in San Francisco, and with only 200,000 miles, being a Toyota 4-cylinder, it'll last another 100,000, 150,000, no problem at all. So putting $600, $800 into a new evaporator is well worth it, because this vehicle will be around for another 10 years. And that's about it. The only other problem with this is the one where the evaporator was done and then they nicked the O-ring going in, so I had to discharge it again so they could replace the evaporator. And so now we have the second O-ring in on the evaporator. Works good, no problems this time. And oh no, it's not a 4-cylinder, it's a 6-cylinder. Oh well, 6-cylinder is not as good as a 4-cylinder on the Toyotas, but at least another 100,000 miles. Alright, that's it for today. Just a very simple, right now I'm draining out the liquid refrigerant out of my lines. Opened up the high, it's closed at the valve. I opened it up so it wouldn't be connected anymore, and drained the pressure down the low side. I'm waiting for the clutch to come on. When the clutch comes on and low side pressure drops is when you back off your okay, now I'm looking. So I have it closed about 24, 22 right there. Start opening up my low side right there, and the clutch just went off. So you time disconnecting your service coupling at the time just before the clutch stops. You will have your lowest pressure, and that means you remove the most refrigerant you possibly can out of all your hoses. That's it for now, guys. I'll see ya.